Hey, it's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, author of the book, A Setback is a Setup for a Comeback. And today, in this time of challenge, I want to give you tips to come back. One of the most important tools to turn your setbacks into comebacks is a willingness to keep going, to keep fighting. It is easy to fight when the energy is high, but it is harder as time goes on. Yet we must keep our fight going. Some will say it's hard. That's right, it is hard. And therefore, you must go at it in a hard way. You must be willing to fight for your dream and fight hard for your dream. You might get knocked down, but keep getting back up and keep fighting. Those who refuse to lose really do. The paradox of life is that success is built on inconvenience, never convenience. Those who are willing to struggle and grow from it win. Those who are not lose. Struggle creates winners and creates great comeback stories. So it's comeback time. Go and make it happen. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Hey, go to winwithwillie.com, winwithwillie.com for resources to help you win more and make the most of every minute because your best is yet to come. God bless you.